Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please be kind enough to go subscribe, guys. It does help the channel. More subscription I have, increase the size of the channel. I'm bringing good stuff to you guys. How many times you have a bucket like that in your house? The thing was working fine. This thing was working fine, guys. It doesn't work that much anymore. Okay. And this is the brand name, guys. This is this, guys. This is the brand name. That's the name. You found it all over the place. Every store has it. As usual, this thing's made in China. There's not too many components of this, guys. But this thing stopped running, stopped working. And this thing costs about $39 at any stores. And after tax, gonna cost you around, let's say $45 for this machine here, for this device. Okay. It doesn't have that much component in it, guys. Let's take a quick look. This thing has 4 screws. I take out 2 already. This is what spins the thing. And usually it's a part inside of it that's no good. I'm gonna go right to the back to the thing for you guys. Okay, so it doesn't work because somebody stepped on this too hard. Okay. Somebody step on this too hard, guys. And break it. So I took it apart already, so I didn't like the video I was making, guys. So I redo the video. So the best way to fix it, you gotta unscrew this thing on the bottom. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel. If you're watching this for the first time or the 5th time, if you did not subscribe, it helps the channel tremendously. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna unscrew the last button and take this part out. This is so easy to take out. Okay, folks, I'll unscrew the last 2. Just lift this thing up, it's gonna come out, guys. Please come out. Now you have this piece here, this part of here. You see that, guys? Let's flip it aside. This thing is movable, guys. You guys just gotta squeeze it out. Let me go ahead and take this thing off. You see, it's very easy to take it out, guys. There we go. With one hand. There we go. You see, one hand I take it out, guys. Take this part off. You see how it's made. And this pin, the thing came out. I think hold it. This is a very simple device. It's not that difficult. It's so simple. Why Chinese have to make it? That's a different story. Okay? Simple device. It dried them up. 2 minutes. It dried very well. So, and the bottom part, there's nothing left there, guys. The screw they have there to keep this thing in spot. So there's probably there's something here, but it's for the cylinder to go to. But there's nothing to the device. I'm gonna put this thing back. Okay. Now this is the problem, guys. Is this guy here? This is the problem. This little piece right there. That's the problem. This thing is the problem. You're just gonna screw those two screws. Take this part out. Let's go and take a look. Okay, folks, I'll take the part out. Take this part out, put it on the side. This is the problem, guys. Mine, it is broken. You see inside of it, guys? Mine is broken. Okay, let me show you. You see the little tiny thing inside of it? Okay, let me show you what they are. This thing would have a lot of them in there. So mine only have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one disappeared. I have 3 of them somewhere in here. This is the stuff, guys. It was inside of the tin. Now, all I had to do was go purchase it. I looked for the parts. I found it on Amazon. I have no relation with Amazon, guy, but the thing came from it in 3 days. That's the things inside of it. But guys, you see this thing is broken inside. You cannot repair it. Look at the other side. See how this thing is well done. The other is broken. The plastic is gone. But thanks a lot. There is a good way you can fix it. You can buy this. This is purchasable. You can buy this, guys. Let me show you where. Okay, folks, this is where I got it. Amazon. This is what I paid for. I purchased 3 of them. Okay. There's a bunch of different type. I mean, this is a different price. You can buy one. You sell one by itself. Now, this one says 4 for $7. So this didn't last me a year before it's get broken. I'm assuming it's gonna get broken again. Just remove the part. Okay, folks, this is the part that I got. It's almost same exact thing. I bought 3 of them. Okay. Now, this is how it is. Look at inside of it, guys. Let's take a look. You see all this stuff was inside? They're not broken inside. How many is in there? Probably 7 or 8. I'm not sure, guys. But this is not broken, but it doesn't look like it's gonna last too long. Take a look, guys. It does not look like it's gonna last too long. But hey, that's what's holding this thing. That's what make it work. It costs $6. Instead of buying a new machine, for $42, gonna have the same problem. Might as well fix it. That's what I decided to do. Fix it, guys. If you can fix it, some device you can. This one you can. Okay, folks, what I'm gonna do, put this thing back in there. There's not simple way you can do. You can't put it upside down, it won't work. So you gotta put it right on top of it. And flip this thing, guys. Okay, folks, there's no other way you can put it because it won't work this way. You can only put it that way. Just put it inside of it. That's perfect. That's it. And put the cover, you're good to go. This part, there's no special way to put it because he won't go this way. You can only go that way. So there we go. This is not that difficult. Let me go ahead and screw this up. Okay, folks, I replace it. This is running fine. Now I'm gonna put this thing upside down inside of it and put the screw. That's it, guys. It fits. They're gonna spin it and see if it can dry them up. Okay, folks, I put the screw, this 4 screw back. This thing is fine. Okay, I got the spinner there. I put the cover on top of it. Let me go ahead. I can do that with one hand, guys. Okay, folks. Now, I just put the cover back in. Watch this, guys. You see this continue? That's what it wasn't doing, guys. You see this continue? It wasn't doing that. That's it. And this thing is fixed. You don't even have to try anything else, guys. This is fixed. Now I have 2 more left. I'm gonna hide it in my garage. Just in the box. And put a label in there and we're good. So next time it's working, take it out, buy another one. So you don't have to spend $200. It's also better for another $42, $45 to buy another one. That's it, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, help the channel tremendously. If you already subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate your time to watch the video.